Good morning guys. So, padayon lang kita. Dynamics, physics for engineers, dynamics. Okay. So, next problem, I think this one. A chair, actually, magsayang pa din here. So, kikita mo mula kung first law, second law, tapos ano mga preliminaries. A chair of mass 12 kilograms sitting on the horizontal floor. The floor is not frictionless. You push on the chair with a force of 40 Newton directed at an angle of 37. So, use your diagram. Okay. Pag kita ko ito concern line is use diagram in Newton's to calculate nila normal force. So, that normal force. So, if I draw it, looks like this. So, there you are, and then you're pushing a chair. Okay? And then we have a free body diagram of the chair. Pasensya na tak drawing. I'm not really good at it. Even until now. So this is the 40 Newton that you exert on the chair. And then you have a weight the chair. Which is because of the mass, pull of gravity. So the 12 times 9.80665. So that is the weight. And then of course, an imo movement on the right, anyway, may dahiya actually motion. So, but anyway, waray ka man problem ha X. An imo problem kasi is normal force, which is the floor exerts on the chair. F floor on chair. F on C. Diba? Based on your action-reaction forces. So this is your tatawagon tan natin nga normal force. But actually that is the force that the floor exerts on your chair. Amo tiya. Okay? So actually tatong solution ini adila Fy. Solutions of Fy which is equal to 0 because maram kita imo Fy waray man niya mag-move. So mga technique ha, kita na pag-analyze. Sa imo Fx, yes may movement pero waray magita problema X. Bangin dito sunod, may mga problem ito about X. So din masayang pa niya. So dapat maram ko magkita problem. Kung makore ko masayon, magsisinulta lang ka mo practice. So Fy you have going down, you have normal force going up. You have 40 Newton nga naka 37 degrees. Adi 37 degrees. Adi ito nga word ha. 37 below the horizontal. 37 ini. So 40 sine 37 and then minus your weight. Okay? Which is equal to 0. So yan na, makakadiretso ka. Your normal force is 40 sine 37 plus your weight which is 12 times 9.80665 meters per second squared. Okay? So you have normal force. Ay Newton yan nga unit. Sige, buto karon ta. Normal force N. So that would be 142 Newton for the normal force. Tika mo latiya. We will be looking at this at chapter 5. Damot yung klase ang problem. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.